Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Demi and you're definitely watching a Demi art tutorial. I know I haven't been posting videos consistently like before, and you guys are also concerned. A concerned subscriber. I've explained everything already in the giveaway video I posted, so I won't make this video too long. So today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Jeanette the Chipette from Alvin and the Chipmunks. So we'll start from our sketch. So I'll start by drawing her feet, then going upward I'll draw her skirt. Then I'll draw in her upper body and her jacket and shirt. Then we'll add little details for her jacket. After that, I'll draw the shape of her head and hair. Then add more details for her hair. Next, we'll sketch her glasses and add her facial features, starting from her nose to her mouth and then her eyes. After that, draw in her tail. Next, we'll shade the drawing, and after that, highlight your drawing and add the final details. If you're done, it should look like mine. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you all, and we've come to the end of this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also leave your comments in the comment section below. Then click the subscribe button to subscribe, and then click the bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you all, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.